Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sujata. In this video, we are going to see the conversation on has been or have been. Let us start. What have you been doing since morning? I have been reading this book since morning. Has it been raining here also since yesterday? Yes, it has been raining, but intermittently. Has the water been boiling for long? No, it has been boiling only for a little time. In this way, you can use have has been wherever it is necessary. And this is an example conversation. You can do more conversations by using has been, have been. I hope this video is most useful to your daily life. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.